If breastfeeding or pumping causes intense burning or shooting pain in your nipples, especially when they're exposed to cold, you may be dealing with Raynaud's phenomenon of the nipple, also called nipple vasospasm. Welcome back to Pump with Thilly, where we help make your breastfeeding and pumping journey easier. Raynaud's happens when the small blood vessels in the nipple suddenly tighten, temporarily reducing blood flow. One of the biggest clues is a noticeable color change. Your nipple may turn white or pale, then become purple or red as blood flow returns. The pain can feel sharp, burning, throbbing, or shooting, and it may happen during or after breastfeeding or pumping. Cold temperatures can make symptoms worse. One important step is keeping your nipples warm. After breastfeeding or pumping, use gentle warmth, such as a warm compress or heating pad on a comfortable setting. Avoid exposing your breasts and nipples to cold air, cold water, or cold breast pads whenever possible. It's also important to look at what may be triggering the pain. A shallow latch, nipple trauma, or improper pump settings can contribute to nipple pain and may occur alongside vasospasm. If pumping hurts, make sure your flange fits properly and avoid unnecessarily high suction. A lactation professional can watch a feeding or pumping session and help identify problems. If the pain keeps returning despite warmth and correcting latch or pumping issues, talk with your healthcare provider. Medications such as nifedipine may sometimes be prescribed for persistent nipple vasospasm, but it should only be used under medical guidance. Don't assume every painful, discolored nipple is Raynaud's. Persistent pain can have several causes, including nipple damage, infection, skin conditions, or other forms of breast pain. Getting the right diagnosis matters. You deserve comfortable breastfeeding and pumping. If you recognize these symptoms, don't ignore them. Talk with a qualified lactation professional or healthcare provider and get personalized help. Thanks for watching Pump with Thilly. Subscribe for more practical breastfeeding, pumping, and breast milk tips designed to help you feel more confident on your feeding journey.